thought it would be fun to stay in an Airbnb. So we're moving. And here we go. We're headed over to 1 Brooklyn now. So we thought it would be a really good idea to go to an Airbnb. Krista, what did you think about that Airbnb?
It was cute inside. I liked it.
It was really cute inside. Did you like the outside of it?
I like the inside.
Me too. So now we're going to 1 Brooklyn. So I'm about to show you guys. Stay tuned.
Shiksa.
Okay, what is it?
You're a shiksa. You're the definition of a shiksa. It's a non-Jewish girl. Usually she's blonde. Jewish guys want to that's what a shiksa is.
Tell me, teach me another Hebrew word.
I mean, that's really the only one you need to know, Ash.
Hotel room at 1 Brooklyn. 1 Hotels is one of my favorite new chains to check out. I actually didn't know about them until my last trip down to Miami, where we stayed at a 1 Hotel. Check it out. So it has a very industrial vibe. Industrial mixed with modern, lots of different textures. Everything here is green. A lot of things are made out of recyclable materials. Leather handles. Their hand washes smell amazing. I'm ordering breakfast here in the room. I have placed my order. Cool. Let's submit this. Opted for my last breakfast to be sourdough with one of my favorites, which is smoked salmon, lox, as well as onions and capers. And I did get the cream cheese and the sausage. I am gonna treat myself right now. This has seriously been the best New York trip. I say that every time, but every time I come back to New York, it just gets better and better. And I'm starting to make a lot of friends here, and I'm starting to have a network in New York. And I love New York, and I feel like I'm supposed to live here. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna get a second home here or if I'm gonna move here, but I wanna be in New York. Mini bars are such a funny thing because it's like, yes, I'll pay $10, $15 for a thing of chocolate, but if I like it, then no problem. But like, what if I open it and I don't like it? Because like, who knows any of these brands? And of course, it's almost 3 a.m. and I've just woken up from my cat now because I passed out. And now I'm starving, like starving, guys. So what should I eat? Actually, I like this packaging. And the winner is the popcorn. A funny story, because I literally lived in the forest at home. I've never had the pleasure of experiencing like DoorDash or any delivery service. There's not a single place that delivers food to my home. So now I'm sitting here and I'm like, do I eat this popcorn or do I try to get this DoorDash to bring me McDonald's? Because that would be better.